Hi, in this session, we will be discussing about how to declare one structure and also how we're going to input some data into the structure and also how we're going to display this data. Okay, so let us start first, declaring the structure itself. So as I was telling in the last session, in order to declare a structure, we have to use the keyword that is struct. So I have used this keyword struct, then you have to give a name, right? So let us give a name, let us take one structure called as, student itself. Last class we have talked about customers. So let us take this as student. So I have taken character, okay, name of the students, let's say 30, okay, and then int, registration number, REGNO, okay, then let us take another, in let us say int age. Okay. Yes. And let us take car, section. Okay. So this are the few, uh, variable that I have taken into the structure. Okay. So I've declared a structure. Okay. And then, let me create the variables to struct student. Okay. Let me say this is S1. Okay. And S2. Two I have declared. Okay, right? Now let me enter the data into the structures. So printf, okay, enter the details of the first student. Okay, so file, let us type printf. Okay, right? Let me give a slash n here. Okay, enter the name, then scanf. Okay, percentage s, and what I have to put, ampersand s of 1, okay, dot name. Yes, in order to access I have to use the dot operator. Then printf, enter the registration number. Yes, and scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand s1 dot regno. Okay, fine. Next, printf the age. Printf, enter the age. Okay, so semicolon, scanf percentage d s1 dot age. Yes, then printf, okay, uh, enter the section. Yes, and scanf, what I will be using, percentage s s1 dot section. Okay, yes. So I forgot to put the ampersand here, and then here also the ampersand. Yes, so I have entered the details of the first student. Similarly, I can enter the details of the second student also. So just let me copy it. Yes, enter the details of the second student. Okay, enter the name. All will be now S2, the second variable. Yes, right. So what I have done, I have entered the details of the first student. Yes, right, and you can see this is the structure variable dot name. Yes, sorry, cancel, right, dot name, registration number, age, and section. So I'm accessing the variable in the structure with the dot operator, right? Similarly, I have taken the details of the second student. Now I need to display. Okay, so printf. Okay, here I will copy. So the details of the first student. Okay, the name of the student is percentage D. Okay, registration number is percentage D. Sorry, name of the student is percentage S. Okay, registration is percentage D. Is okay, comma is percentage D, and section is percentage S. Okay, I've written everything together, right? Okay, so double column. Okay, now here I will have to put S1 dot name, comma S1 dot what is that, regno, comma S1 dot age, comma S1 dot section. Yes. Okay, right. Similarly, slash n slash the details of the second student. Detail of the second student. Okay, the name of the student is percentage this. Now it will be S2 here. S2 dot name, S2 dot registration number, S2 dot age, S2 dot section. Okay, yes. Return 0. Let me save it. Okay, and let me execute. Okay, so first student name is Bhupesh, enter his registration number 1101, age is 24, section is genius. Okay, enter it second student, say Ramesh. Okay, his registration number 1103, so let's say 1102. Okay, age is 25, section is SMA RT Smart. Okay, the details of the first student is that. Okay, the name of the student is Bhupesh, registration number is 110, age is 24, and section is genius. Okay, similar detail of the second student, the name of the student is Ramesh, registration number is 1102, age is 25, and the section is smart. Okay, so this is how I have entered the data. You can see, right? Okay, so I have entered the data. Bhupesh, then registration number 10101101. Okay, age, then section genius, similarly second student, and I got the output, right? So only thing that it's very important to know is that how to declare this. So this is important. So I have put struct the keyword and the name of the, what is the name of the this particular structure that I'm creating, that is a user defined structure derived, right? Student. And what are the member, member variables that we have? It is the correct, is a name, the registration number, the age, the section, right? Right. So and then I create the structure variable s1 and s2. Okay, and how I'm accessing is s1 dot name, s1 dot registration number, s1 dot age, and s1 dot section. And as it is, as I'm storing it, ampersand will be there. And simply when I'm displaying it, I'm putting it s1 dot name, s1 dot registration number, s1 dot section. Similarly, for the second student, second variable, I have used it. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, and understanding of this is very important, because next we will move into that, nested structure, and then we'll move into the array itself. Okay, yes. Anyway, before going to that, in the next particular video, I will show you how to access this using pointer. So we have created simple variables. Okay, next class I will talk about the pointers. Then we'll move into the nested, structure and array itself. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. So again, I'm saying to declare a structure, you have to use the keyword struct, the name of the structure, and then the way you declare the variables, right? Okay. And in order to declare the structure variable, again struct, okay, the structure name, that is student, s1, s2, s1, s2 are the structure variables. And how to store it? Just s1 dot name. The accessing is using the dot operator. Okay. Yes. Fine. So I hope you have understood the structure, to how to insert any the data into the structure and how to display it. Okay. Thank you so much.